pagdating mo sa buhay ko. Lahat sumaya, buhay ko'y nag-iba. Happy birthday! Ang saya ng mundo ngayong ikaw ay narito. I wish you a happy birthday. Ang araw na to ay araw mo.
Scratch, I just wanna greet you happy birthday. God bless you always. I'm always here for you. Wala lang rin ka na. Hindi lang tamag kita na iba. Chichat man gyapon. Tani, wala changes mo. Of course, between the two of us, I always treasure our friendship. Hope nga hindi ka mabag-o. Aral lang ko dependent for you. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Take care good always. Take good care of yourself. Na. So, I missed you once again. Happy birthday!